And how do you actually see the organizations you've worked with deal with this hybrid working? How do they actually approach it right now?
Yeah, the way I see it is, I think everyone is still using the thinking hats, and I know there are some questions as well. It's a very difficult situation right now, and everyone is grappling with: do I move to permanent work from office, permanent work from home, or some sort of hybrid? 90% of our clients are actually saying they'll have some sort of hybrid, which means maybe twice on a rotation basis. I can have people in the office twice in a week. That ways I'm engaging with everyone, so that engagement level is there. And similarly, I'm seeing a lot of clients focusing around sheet sharing. So how do I manage the infrastructure? So that's another thing which the clients are thinking about, that I don't need the whole infrastructure. I can manage the same infrastructure and get people into the office and use the seating arrangement which I have as a rotation mechanism. So that's something which we are seeing a lot of our clients are thinking about, and they're looking for solutions which can help them meet that requirement when people are looking at rotation-based staffing in the office. The third aspect which I'm seeing is also around looking at engagement levels. So while my workforce is working from home, how do I engage my employees, and how well is people engaged? That's something which they plan to leverage technology to find out who are the people who are engaged, who are the people who are not engaged, and there are various analytics which are available through platforms to find the engagement levels. So that's how I'm seeing across clients, people are using technology to find out the way forward in the current challenging times.
I think it's from experience and a lot of experimentation that's being done in the industry. So, Natalie, is it the same here in the Philippines? Is there something that we're doing differently, or how is it?
Yeah, I think it's resonating. It's almost the same. There will be some different flavors of it, but I think in essence everyone would have to deal with that, in because every organization would have its own culture and budget. Budget is a critical thing, that it depends on what budget you have and what your priorities are as an organization, with where you want to spend. But I think it's always a good investment to have visibility. So to me, as an operator, that's just critical.